All right, friends, to make up for our lost lesson today, I'm going to record 135. It has a mastery check-in. So we'll just real quick read through our sounds, some of our words, and then start our mastery check-in. Wa, ch, j. Keep going. Nice job. Nice. Bull, coal, dole, full, goal, coal, pole, toll, zol. Ed, meant, lee, shun, less, full, ness, as. All right. And here we go with sight words. Talk, pint, copy, walk, shoe, study, create, creation, detect, detection, promote, promotion, invent, invention. All of those words, when we added the shun, we dropped the E. Prevent, prevention, infect, infection, complete, completion, translate, translation. Hopeless, hopeless, tactless, hatless, pointless, painless. Endless, speechless, shameless, blameless, friendless, sleepless. Okay, and I want you to think about what that means. So less is without, so without friend, without friends, without sleep, without speech. Sadness, gladness, shortness, thickness, brightness, stillness, darkness, richness, blackness, dampness, deafness, bitterness. Okay, and we're ready for our mastery check-in. Number 1, formation. Say it with me. Formation. Make sure you blend that. It's got the shun at the end. Remember, you can always pause the video in order to write it down. Number 2, sharpness. Say it with me, sharpness. Make sure you're blending it. Number 3, endless. Say it with me, endless. Number 4 is a sight word, walk. Say it with me, walk. I am going to walk home today. Number 5, nearness. Say it with me, nearness. Number 6, translation. Say it with me, translation. Number 7, speechless. Say it with me, speechless. I was speechless when he did the back flip. Speechless. Number 8, copy. Say it with me, copy. I made a copy of the paper. Number 9, adoption. Say it with me, adoption. We went to the shelter and had an adoption. Number 10, pointless. Say it with me, pointless. It is pointless to go outside in the rain during recess. Pointless. Number 11, pint. Say it with me, pint. I drank a pint of milk. Pint. Number 12, subtraction. Say it with me, subtraction. The opposite of addition is subtraction. We are taking away. Subtraction. Number 13, sight word talk. Say it with me, talk. We had a long talk after school. Talk. Number 14, prevention. Say it with me, prevention. We listened to the fire prevention talk. Prevention. Number 15, powerless. I felt powerless to help them. Powerless. Number 16, shoe. My dog carried around my shoe. Shoe. Number 17, study. Make sure you study for your test. Study. Number 18, infection. She had an infection in her leg. Infection. Number 19, donation. We made a donation to the charity. Donation. And number 20, sickness. This year, we've had a sickness going around, COVID, sickness. All right, we are going to do a sentence on the back. So go ahead and write down your caps. All right, this sentence is, help yourself to a large serving. Say it with me, help yourself to a large serving. So 6 words. Make sure you've got all your caps. When you're comfortable and feel like you've done your personal best, you can make sure your name and date is on your paper and turn it in on my desk. All right, thanks friends.